Okay, so I have wanted to open up a crypto IRA account. I just started a Roth IRA account with M1 Finance last year, but they do not have crypto IRA accounts at this moment in time. I did have a 401k account from a previous employer, so I decided to move these funds over to a crypto IRA account. A little backstory. I split my old 401k account into two traditional IRA accounts 7 years ago. This is bringing them back together into a crypto traditional IRA account. One of these accounts grew from $10,000 to over $17,000 in 7 years. I think that is pretty good. I will show you how to use Alto Crypto IRA since this is the entity I chose for my crypto IRA investments. I will also discuss some advantages and disadvantages of Alto Crypto IRA and BitIRA, Bitcoin IRA, and iTrust Capital. I will also let you know why I ultimately chose Alto Crypto IRA. Moving from one 401k or IRA account to another investment account is considered a rollover. Please research carefully before attempting to make this move because you could owe a lot of taxes and penalties if you don't. I will also be sharing why I had to contribute to this new crypto IRA account as a direct rollover and the final portion as an indirect rollover. Both of these rollovers must be deposited into a traditional IRA account and not a Roth IRA account. I will also explain why this was the case. Okay, let's get this party started. Here is Alto IRA's dashboard. Nothing too fancy. Just the facts, ma'am, just the facts. This $5,800 represents my direct rollover. This was a direct rollover because the cash from the old institution was never in my possession. They sent the liquidated funds from my previous investment account directly to Alto Crypto IRA. We are currently looking at the dashboard. Here is where you would go to add funds. You can add funds by making a cash contribution from your bank account or rollover from a traditional IRA, simple IRA, SEP IRA, 401k, 403b, and 457b accounts. If you have any questions on how to fund your account, please call support here. I had to use this number to help assist me in funding my account. The indirect rollover deposit for $17,000 was sent via a bank wire. This deposit showed up as available funds just minutes after it left my bank account as a bank wire. You will see this $17,000 a little later in the video. So I am very happy with the funding speed of Alto IRA. Here is the fun part. Trading crypto. The funds I had sent as a direct deposit were sent via a check. This $5,800 deposit took more than 7 days to show up in my account. Way longer than if it were a bank wire. This is how easy it is to trade crypto in this Alto IRA account. This is literally easier than using Coinbase. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Select the coin. Bitcoin. Select the dollar amount. $1,200. Sign and then place the order. Here you can see that the order has been placed, but it is still pending. I will also be buying some Ethereum. The other coins I will be choosing today will be from my main Coinbase portfolio shown here. I will not be selecting coins in the green. I know that I already believe in these coins. So I am going to purchase the coins in the red. I will be buying them for an even lower price than I did on Coinbase initially. Sort of a twisted dollar cost averaging. So anything in the 24-hour red column and overall red column will be my first choices. Another reason I chose Alto Crypto IRA is that they are using Coinbase on the back end. Some of the other crypto IRA options, which we will discuss later, only have around 10 cryptos to choose from. Even if I only decide to invest in 10 cryptos, I want the option to select other cryptos. I just purchased some Scale, ticker symbol SKL. These purchases usually take like 5 to 10 minutes to clear, so we should see the Bitcoin purchase clear soon. Now let's purchase some Suku. This is it. This is all it takes to make a crypto purchase in an IRA account. Let me speed this up as I make other purchases. I want to show you all these transactions actually changing from place to executed. This is what your account will look like once all your orders are executed. A few days later. Since I really like Alto Crypto IRA, I decided to move over my remaining traditional IRA investments. This $17,000 was the indirect rollover I discussed earlier. The previous investment institution said they could only send the funds directly to me. This falls into the 60-day rollover category here on the IRS.gov website. If a distribution from an IRA or a retirement plan is paid directly to you, you can deposit all or a portion of it in an IRA or a retirement plan within 60 days. Taxes will be withheld from a distribution from a retirement plan, so you'll have to use other funds to roll over the full amount of the distribution. I simply asked the previous institution to not withhold taxes from my liquidation of funds, since I knew I was rolling this over to Alto IRA. Another significant rule to note is that you can only have one rollover per year to an IRA. Or this should read one indirect rollover per year, since trustee-to-trustee transfers do not apply to the limit. I will be buying some more Bitcoin, Ethereum, Crypto.com, Gala, and other cryptos with this $17,000. I hope this was helpful, but don't go anywhere just yet. It's time to go over some pros and cons of Alto Crypto IRA, BitIRA, Bitcoin IRA, and iTrust Capital. One of these others may be a better fit for your situation. Okay, get ready to take some notes. I can confirm with Alto Crypto IRA that it is as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. To get started. The funding of the account will be the step that could slow you down, but that is expected, especially if a paper check in the mail is the funding method. Here are all the cryptocurrencies you can invest in. Remember, Alto Crypto IRA is using Coinbase Pro in the background. As you can see here, Alto Crypto IRA doesn't charge any account maintenance or setup fees and will never require an account minimum. All you pay is a straightforward 1.5% trading fee per transaction. I would suggest you read these FAQs. I have left links below to each of these websites. Alto Crypto IRA Takeaways are: there are 1.5% trade fees. They use Coinbase Pro on the back end, giving us access to over 100 cryptocurrencies. And there are no monthly fees or account minimums. Now let's take a look at BitIRA. Why does BitIRA say to invest in a Bitcoin IRA? Tax-free growth, security, diversification, hedge against inflation, and to cut out the big banks. See here under custodian. You maintain full control over the digital currency in your account, but your custodian acts to carry out your directions and administer your account. With BitIRA, your cryptocurrency investment options are: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Zcash, Stellar Lumens, and Chainlink. BitIRA is kind of sneaky with their fee schedule. I actually spoke to a representative here a couple of times when I was trying to decide where to go with my crypto IRA. I never found their fee schedule on their website. I was told that they have a monthly fee of $29.95. Here shows an annual fee of $195. This equates to just over $16 per month. So I am not sure if this is old or if there is a discount for paying for the entire year. Also, I believe their trade fees were much higher than Alto Crypto IRA. BitIRA takeaways are: their trade fees are more than 1.5%. They only have access to 8 cryptocurrencies. And they have monthly fees of between $16.25 and $29.95 per month. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin IRA. Trusted by over 100,000 plus users. They say they have an industry-leading crypto IRA platform, which I must say does look nice. World-class security. Earn up to 6% interest on the cash in crypto inside your IRA. Here are the 8 cryptocurrencies you can invest in here on Bitcoin IRA. This also shows Ethereum Classic and Digital Gold as investment options inside Bitcoin IRA. Their website also leaves off what their fees are. But here, it says there's a one-time service fee, which Bitcoin IRA says covers support services for retirement fund rollovers. Bitcoin IRA takeaways are: they only have access to 8 cryptocurrencies. They appear to have no monthly fees, but do have a one-time service fee. Their trade fees are not well displayed. And you can earn up to 6% interest on the cash in crypto inside your IRA. Now let's take a look at iTrust Capital. Tax advantages, low costs, and 24/7 investing. iTrust Capital has no setup fees, no monthly fees, and only a 1% transaction or trade fee. iTrust Capital says many other cryptocurrency IRA companies charge up to 15% transaction fees as well as setup fees. Our platform leverages technology, and we do not use a commission sales staff. Look at all the cryptos they have to choose from. iTrust Capital uses Coinbase on the backend just like Alto Crypto IRA. They do have a minimum of $2,500 to start and a $1,000 minimum additional contribution. This could be a drawback for some. iTrust Capital takeaways are: they have only 1% trade fees. They use Coinbase on the back end. There are no monthly fees or setup fees. They do have a minimum of $2,500 to start and a $1,000 minimum additional contribution. Please watch our video, Roth IRA versus Traditional IRA. This will explain why I had to set up a traditional crypto IRA versus a Roth crypto IRA. In short, you contribute to a Roth IRA post-tax and to a traditional IRA pre-tax. Since 401k contributions are pre-tax as well, these can easily be rolled over to a traditional IRA, crypto or non-crypto. That is the short story as to why I rolled over my funds into a traditional crypto IRA account. This was one of our longest videos. I hope it was very informative. If so, please give this video a thumbs up. Take care, my friends.
If you're still here, thanks for making it this far in the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, as it will help out this channel a lot. Check out one or both of the videos listed here on this page. And as always, learn more, hustle on, and power through. Thank you, and see you all in just a few minutes.